Folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations, checking out these two fantastic Flybird benches. They will adjust to incline, decline, and of course flat bench. Great for workouts, and we're going to compare the two because if you're watching this video, you're probably pretty interested in which one is better for you. Of course, they both adjust very easily, and they're straightforward, but they have different mechanisms for decline and incline. This one right here, the red and black, uses a pin to go ahead and lock it into place. Wear areas, the black on black, is more of a traditional gym style. There you go. Now, personally, I like this because it locks into place. Can you see that okay? Where this one, I know me, I feel like I'm not going to be using the pin, and it has more chance to slide and slip, or the potential to lose the pin as a separate item. I like the fact that the black one does not require the pin, and that's just one more thing for me to lose with time. All right, for overall size, the black is actually physically larger than the red and black. So that just means there's more things you can do with it. You can see, we'll go ahead and get a measuring tape out here in a second, but you've got a shorter distance here than is here. The black and red is 28 inches and 14, just under 14. The black on black (30.5 inches) by just under 15. So you get a couple inches on both the feet here and on the back. So if you're a bigger person, you're going to prefer the larger bench. Now, if you're looking to save space, that black and red really is the winner. That's true on the back as well. The black bench is almost 16 inches across, which is going to keep it fairly stable. Wear areas, the black and red, a little more petite, about 12 inches, which is great if you're looking for something compact, but doesn't provide as much stability. If you're doing something, you're bench pressing 500 pounds, I'm not, you're probably gonna want something a little wider to provide you that additional stability. Now, overall, both have great quality materials. I like the black and red for its overall look and its ergonomic design. The black and black, I've had this one season after season. It's holding up well. This black and red, also a great texture and a great feel, a great designer. So folks, which is my preference? Well, between the two, I'm a bigger person and I have more space in the garage, so I like this black on black Flybird bench. However, if you are limited on space or a smaller person, this black on red is perfect for you as well. All right, folks, my name is Adam. Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you the best of the best so you can forget the rest. I appreciate you. You can't beat that. You can't teach that. Goodbye, my friends.